Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Arsa Rindiani. I'm 40 years old. I'm Muslim. I'm married. I have two children. I come from Banyumas Central of Java. My height is 153 cm. My weight is 60 kg. My education is junior high school. My working experience before in Singapore 4 years, in Jakarta 4 years. My job is take care of Ama, going to market, cooking, ironing, and everything. I can cook pork, but I cannot eat pork because I'm Muslim. I can cook for us like soup, steamed eggs, steamed fish, and another. I want to go Hong Kong because I want to earn more money for my future and my family. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you soon in Hong Kong. Bye bye.